Guys, are you tired of your hinges or latches sticking and breaking along with your doors? Well, here's a great way to put it to a stop. Now, always consult your car manufacturer's recommendations before using any product on your vehicle. Let's show you how I use this to save me a lot of headache and a lot of money. You have a job to do? WD-40 Specialist line helps you get it done. Provides heavy-duty lubrication and corrosion protection that won't melt or freeze or run in any weather. Ideal use on auto hinges, gears, sprockets, outdoor hinges, overhead door locks, pulleys, cables, guide rails. Excellent for lubricating equipment before placing in storage. Ideal for metal-to-metal contact applications. Sprays on evenly as liquid sets and dries for a thick protective coating. Temperature range 0 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. First off, we'll go ahead and apply some white lithium grease to this latch. Just a quick spray, you really don't need that much. We'll work our way to the doors. I'm going to try to use a rag to make sure not to get any on any other surfaces you don't want it on. Just a little quick spray there. We'll move along to the inside of the door. I have actually 30-year-old vehicles and all the doors still work perfectly fine. Typically I would use it on the door handle, but since this area is plastic, if you can get to the inside of the metal on metal contact, then that can help out a lot. I really don't like these plastic door handles because they break really easy. That's why lubrication is very key. I would hope that it goes without saying, make sure these areas are fairly clean before applying any lubricants or grease. Now to the bottom of the trunk. Don't forget guys, this is great for garage doors as well. I've shown with the proper care, you can make just about any vehicle last for hundreds of thousands of miles, 30, 40 years even. It just depends on who's taking care of it. Guys, if you want your vehicle to last a really long time, make sure to tune in to Nate's Interactive Auto and comment and let us know what products can we try or test, because I'm willing to do anything you'd like to see.